delegations manuals that you go through at the start of each terranium, and it basically allows us to identify who the councillors are and basically who the staff are, but it also keeps us accountable in terms of making sure that any reporting requirements are upheld, whether that be the Protection Trust or any liaison groups that we have agreements with. The ones that aren't working well at the moment are the International Relationships Committee that we're working through with the external stakeholder groups at the moment. Without that one, I know is one of the ones that's not working well. I can't tell you the other ones, but certainly if you would like, we can have Cornelia bring that up to your next council meeting, or circulate it for you to view exactly what it is. The other side of it too is that it works in conjunction with Tina, that has a lot of the decisions-based stuff and making sure that it's more relevant.
Yep, that answers part of it, and the other part of the question's possibly best answered by somebody else. But if that explanation, if I understand it, that wouldn't include the quality of our relationships or state of our relationships with the likes of Te Wharetoa, WRC and others. It's more with community groups and groups we have arrangements with on a particular basis. Would that be a fair comment?
It has a component of it with Te Wharetoa, and that is through the management protocol, and that's right. Making sure that our management work closely with the management of the board. However, it doesn't reflect on your relationship with the governance.
Okay, thanks.
There was one over here, and then I'll come to you, Councillor Williams, and then I'll come to you, sorry. Councillor Crate, then Councillor Williams, then Councillor Heckling.
Executive summary, bullet point, the last one on the page. Helen, that there, the revenue from visitors has fallen 5%. Is that based on Paymark? And if so, how far back does Paymark go so we can actually get a true indication of our visitation figures?
Okay, it actually refers